Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of unexpected error occurred in Facebook Ad Manager app. As you see here, I'm trying to open and it keeps on telling me unexpected error occurred. So when you see something like unexpected error occurs, it is normally internet data problem. But I also have internet data. You may have internet data, but you still see it telling you that unexpected error occurs. So in that case, what I will advise you to do is that put your phone on, you can put it on flight mode and then turn the flight mode on. I have already done that. So after you've done that, come and then click on just navigate within the different apps on your phone and close the Meta Ads app and then open it again. So as you see, now it is showing. Now sometimes you may do that and it's still the same thing. So if you try, you close the app and reopen it and it's still telling you unexpected error occurs, then what I will recommend is that restart the phone. If you restart the phone, it is likely to solve the problem. If you restart the phone and it doesn't solve the problem, then I will show you the last option. Go to Play Store. Sometimes you have to update the app. Go to Play Store or App Store, type Meta Ads Manager, the app will come, then you update it. Or you can also tap and hold the app. If you are using an Android phone, go to the app settings. Even if you are not using an Android phone and it's an iPhone, you can go to the app settings and then go to storage and then clear the cache. If you clear the cache and it doesn't work, you can clear the storage. And by if you clear the storage, it will just ask you to re-log in, and then you log in and you will see that the issue will be resolved. If you follow this, you'll be able to solve the problem of unexpected error occurs in Meta Ad Manager app. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.